Welcome to ASP NET SQL Academy, your destination to learn web development the right way. Like, share, and subscribe to keep supporting this learning journey. You are watching part 8 of the HTML Mastery series, HTML Attributes and Global Attributes. Let us explore how attributes bring power and flexibility to HTML elements. Today, you will learn what HTML attributes are, how to use essential ones like ID, class, href, and src, and understand the role of global attributes that apply to most HTML elements. This video is perfect for HTML beginners, students, or anyone wanting to write flexible and reusable HTML code using the power of attributes. Let us get into the code and practice using HTML attributes the right way. You will see how even small attributes can make a big difference. Attributes are special words used inside HTML tags to control the element's behavior or appearance. They provide additional information to browsers and developers. The ID attribute assigns a unique identifier to an element. It helps with styling, scripting, and linking to specific parts of a page. The class attribute groups multiple elements with the same name. It is useful for applying styles or JavaScript actions to many elements at once. The style attribute allows you to add CSS directly to an element. This inline styling overrides other styles but should be used sparingly. The title attribute provides additional information about an element. When you hover over it, a tooltip appears with the title text. The data_star attributes allow you to store custom data on elements. These are great for JavaScript to access extra info without affecting the HTML structure. The language attribute specifies the language of the content. This helps browsers and search engines serve content directly and improves accessibility. Here is an example combining many attributes on a single paragraph. Each attribute adds useful information or styling. These global attributes are supported by almost every HTML element, making your web pages more dynamic and accessible. Remember, use attributes wisely. IDs should be unique, classes for groups, and avoid too much inline styling. Data attributes are perfect for passing info to scripts, and always set the language for accessibility. In the next video, we will explore block and inline elements, what they are, how they behave, and how to use them effectively in your layouts. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on upcoming parts.